Hi everyone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to create a first API request. So for using the Postman tool, uh, let me here I am using the a site called as res.in. This site I am using. So here currently I am going to use for the get API request. So for the get API request for here is a list of users. Let me I'll be going to here. So this is a request res.in and this for endpoint for API and users. This is the JSON response body. So let me go to the Postman tool. So here I'll be going to file. So then I'll select new. Here list of options are available like environment is there, API documentation, mock server. Now let me, I'll be going to the collection. So here it is created for the new collections. I'll just rename the collection. So for I'll be making first API request. So I created one collection. So right click on it, you will find the add request. So let me, I'll be going to create the one folder. So just I will rename this option. So I'll just add the get request. So inside the get request, I'll be going to add the request. So this is my first API request. API first API request. So let me go to the here. I will copy entire thing. So here I am using there are different types of requests are available. So I am just selecting the get request. So after adding the URL of this, so initially up to .in this is called as base URI and API slash users is called as endpoints. Okay, here I am not adding anything. I am just sending the request of the get API. So okay, here I got a response body. So here we have page equal to 2. Then for page 6, this is the API endpoint response body. So here we got like a status code is 200. So and status text is okay and time took for 422 milliseconds and the size of the API is 1.95 KB. So if you want to save this response, so here we have an option called as save response and save as an example. These two options are available. So however you want to save a file, you can save it, and if you want to save as in a particular folder, so that you can use as a save as over here. Now here like in the ones, so here we have cookies option. So currently there is no cookies. We have a body response. There will be like headers. Different types of headers are available. Or a content type is application JSON. This is completely headers part. Okay. Now I will be going to the. So here we have a pretty, and then we have a preview and visualize and JSON. So going forward, I'll be going for the JSON format. So if I want to convert this JSON file into XML, so that if you clicking on the XML, it will be going to convert the XML format. So here I have a HTML format, then I have a text format. So I can auto this the whatever I have text. So again this is a JSON format. So And for the before that, I'll be explaining some of the points over here. So here we have different types of like I there will be like different type IDs. So currently it is showing like ID 7, 8, so like that. So this API supports multiple formats like JSON format, XML format, and plain text as well. Okay, and then so for that, whenever like we got this is a JSON complete body. So for we need to understand the JSON syntax rules as well. So here we have a JSON format. So we have a key with a double quotes and a value. Okay. Now data is in the name and value fields, and here we are separated by comma. So if I want to go to the next value, I will be giving the separate comma, and here whatever we have the curly braces, right, for this doll. This is one object, and here let me. This is the it starts from array, so this indicates the array. So let me up to where it is covered. So yeah, it is closed the array. It is called as square bracket holes for arrays. Okay, the JSON format syntactically identical to code for creating the JavaScript objects, and because of this, similarly, JavaScript program can be easily convert a JSON data into native JavaScript object, and the JSON syntax derived from the JavaScript. So object notation. So here JSON format is text only, and code for reading and generate the JSON written in programming language. So let me I will just copy this. So I just copied this one JSON, then I will be go to the here. So for whether we need to check the JSON format whether it's a valid or not. So just I am going to using the jsonlint.com, so that I will add the JSON whatever I got. Let me I will validate this JSON. So this is the exactly the valid JSON. Okay. So for verifying the JSON, we are going to using for the JSON lint. Okay. So in the so this is API first API request. So I have completed the first API request over here, and then I'm kindly requesting you to subscribe this channel. In the upcoming videos, I will be going to explain so what is a JavaScript object notations, and the how we are need to understand complex JSON and simple JSON and JSON arrays. So there will be we have some kinds of rules. So yeah, thank you.